John Lay here from Talent to Learning to answer your question. What is a learning ecosystem? Well, don't think of your LMS or your learning system as an island, a place that you go all by yourself, a destination that you go to, and it's not connected to anything else in your organization. A good learning system is connected to a whole bunch of different applications that exist inside an organization's training and learning department, but even broader than that, and most commonly broader than that. How so? Well, learning systems are typically integrated into an organization's single sign-on system, so that once you're signed into one application, you can just jump over to the LMS and it knows exactly who you are, and you land up right on your own homepage. A learning system might integrate with an HR or an ERP system, so that that system can feed the LMS with who all the employees are, their job, their role, their organization, so that the LMS then can do its magic and make sure that the right learning is getting to the right learner based on those demographics. Or commonly, an LMS for customer learning or partner and channel learning is integrated with a CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot, which do a very similar thing to an HR ERP system in that it tells the LMS who the prospective customers are, who the partners are, who the customers are, what they purchased and why. And then that data goes to the LMS to help make sure that the right content gets to the right learner. But it also could be tools like you would use inside your corporation on a daily basis. So commonly, learning systems are integrated with virtual tools of Zoom or GoToMeeting or Teams or workforce automation tools like Slack. Or they could be integrated with authoring tools like Articulate or ReadyGo or Lectora. All these different applications exist either standalone or integrated already into your corporate environment. And so the learning systems, modern learning systems, need to snap into that ecosystem and kind of morph to support all the different applications. Because the key point is that an LMS has common functionality with a lot of different systems, virtual tools, authoring tools, CRM, CMSs. And so every organization has to figure out, is the LMS going to do this function? Are we going to keep on using one of these other applications and need to integrate? And so that decision point of LMS or integrate happens across all those gray areas that a learning system can do that other applications can do. So what's the important thing to know about the learning ecosystem? It's different for every organization. And to be successful with your learning selection process and overall implementation process, it's mandatory that you identify your ecosystem and classify it and define it and know exactly all the pieces, and then make your decisions on what is staying in the LMS and what's going to be integrated. And by doing that in a real thoughtful way, you can automate your whole process and get your learning ecosystem unique and efficient for your organization, your business, and your industry. And there you have it. That's a learning ecosystem. Good luck developing yours.